Hello, I tried to answer this for you, and I couldn't understand what you have there in terms. There were a lot of symbols there and confusion there. But what I'm going to assume here is that a movie theater models the revenue from ticket sales in one day as a function of the ticket type P. Okay, so the P represents ticket price. There are two expressions behind the revenue function. Okay, so the two expression, I'm not sure, couldn't understand what you have there, but I will rewrite it and assume this is it. The first function, this parenthesis, one term behind us, 4p. Okay, and the next function, one term, c pronounce, 4p squared. So these two functions are actually the same functions because if you just distribute the p, you will get this function here. Okay. So now the question is, according to this model, how high would the ticket price have to be for the theater to make $0 in revenue? Explain your reason. Okay, so basically is what will the price of the ticket, how high would it have to be to for the revenue to make zero amounts? Okay. Well, it can be this like when it comes to this is like really a quadratic function here. You might have that means you might have more than one solutions to this. Okay. So should I zero amount? Okay. So what we're gonna do is what I like to do first is to do negative 4p squared. I like to rearrange my terms here. So I put negative 4p squared for plus 120 p and then set it to equal to zero because we want to know the $0, right? That's what we want. We want to know how much it will generate. The $0 will be the price. The price is the P. So we have to figure out what P is. Okay. Now, what we can do is if we're looking at these things here, we can actually factor out the greatest common factor. So that if we factor it, it'll be 4 is the greatest common factor and P, okay, is the greatest common factor. So once we factor these things out, we'll have negative P plus 30. Okay? Equals 0. Right? Because we just divide it in things, so we're going to divide it, you can factoring it, factoring it out. All right. And then now we're going to set up to find what P is. So we can do 4P equals 0. Then do negative P plus 30 equals 0. All right. So this one divided by 4, right? And P equal to 0. So here's one price. So of course, if the ticket price is $0, then you know the vendor will not generate any revenue, right? There's no you're not going to make any sales. But also here, however, also if I solve here minus 30 on both sides, right? I get negative p equals negative 30. And divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1, right? And that will leave me, now that will give me ticket price of $30. Okay, so now $30. So that means if the ticket price is $0, there's no money generated. If the ticket price is $30, still there's no money generated. Okay, so and we can test this out here. So let's go to the report here. So let's try the $0 amount, right? We're gonna try the $0 amount. P. Let's use this first one here and 20. I'm gonna use that same function for P. So we do it. So P 120 minus 4 times 0. Oops. And here, it's just here. Work on it. Okay. So that means 0 times everything. That's $0. Okay. And then also we can use the other function if you want. If you want, you can use the other function. Negative 4p squared plus 120p equals 0, right? So We'll use 30 in this case here. Get it 4. 30 squared is 900. Okay. Plus 120 by 30 here. Okay. Equals 0. Okay, so when I multiply this, we'll do negative 3600 plus 3600 here. Okay, and 36 cancels out negative 36 and equals 0. Okay, but the question is, what's the highest amount? The highest amount would be 30. That is, would be the highest amount. So if you like what you see here, sign up for a tutorial session and try me out. Okay, bye.